Satnam, it's Lynn here. I'm so excited. We're going to Croatia. So this video is all about how to pack with ease and grace so that you can travel light, spread the light, live the light, and be the light. But the only way you can be the light is if you pack light. Did you hear that? Pack light. Number one, let's check out my vest. Did you see this fancy little vest? This fancy little vest has everything I need at my fingertips. Little pockets on the inside. I have my phone. I could put my boarding pass in here. I have my passport. Switch to the other side. I have extra mask. Yes, we have to wear a mask. Have extra wipes. So everything at my fingertips. I don't have to worry about where is that? Where is that? And then this backpack right here has everything I need in case they were to lose my luggage. So I will survive with everything right in here. So let's see what's in here. Number one, it is very important that you get plenty of rest. And so I have my fancy little neck pillow so I can sleep on the plane. And then I don't know about you, but I am trying to save the world one bottle at a time. So I have my little fancy little water bottle. Notice the clip that was on there. Now this fancy water bottle, I actually bought a filter to go inside. The links are all below for everything that I'm showing you. Well, almost everything. But I actually bought a separate water bottle that's only 18 ounce. 24 ounces is way too much for me to carry. And so 18 ounces is doable. You could go with 12 ounces just so that you have water at all times. And just so you know, the water is safe to drink out of the water faucet while we are in Croatia. But if you want to make it extra safe, then get the filter. Now let's dig inside the bag. Wa la 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 la. Let's open. Ah, isn't this cute? So this is everything I need for hygiene purposes. My toothbrush, my shampoo, my face wash, all of that stuff. But it also has hydrogen peroxide and alcohol. We will be spending a lot of time in the water, and I notice that sometimes when I spend a lot of time in the water, I get an ear infection. So it's better to be safe than sorry. I figure if I carry it, I won't need it, right? And then here's the best part. Now, for those of you who don't know, I'm a Virgo. I have lots of issues. So everything is packed so that it's ease and grace. Did you notice that? I just pulled that right out. I can just put this right into the shower, put this on the bathroom sink, and then there's a dental floss, Q-tips, all that kind of fun stuff in there. Let's keep going. This is my shawl. Do you get cold on the plane? I get cold on the plane. I get cold a lot. So I have a nice fancy shawl that I can wrap around myself. But more importantly, this shawl is actually my beach towel. You never know when you'll have the opportunity to lay out on the beach. And so this is a Turkish towel. I love it. Did I mention the link is down below? They have them in all kinds of colors. Let's see what else is in here. Oh gosh, my feet swell like crazy when I'm on the plane. Compression socks. Oh, I have an extra lid for my water bottle. I love to do essential oils, and if you're doing any essential oils that have citrus, then you don't want to drink out of plastic. So I have a straw that goes in here. So extra, do you have to have it? Well, only if you're drinking essential oils. Now here, this is my day pack. This pack goes with me everywhere, every single day. It has everything that I need. You might be on the beach, you might be in the forest, you might be in the mountains. Everything is right in here. So let's check it out. What's in here? Let's start off with the first zipper. Makeup, yes. Whole bunch of makeup to keep me beautiful. But I want to point out a really, really important makeup item. Mascara. This particular mascara, let me see here. It is Blink, B-L-I-N-C. And this is a tubing mascara. I can put this mascara on and I can swim in the water and it won't come off. How magical is that? And then lipstick and all the other stuff. I have an extra powder face stuff. So you decide what you need to do for that. Let's keep going. I have Band-Aids. I have first aid ointments. Again, it's safe. Better safe than sorry. Oh, I like to read, so I have pen, highlighter. Maybe I have too much. Essential oils. I love essential oils. Let's dig into the other side pocket. This particular side pocket is empty. Let's go to the other side. This side has my retractable straw. I mentioned about essential oils. If you're drinking anything citrus, then you want to have a retractable straw because you don't want to drink in plastic. Let's keep going. Peppermint oil. I love to spray myself with peppermint oil. And then this is doTERRA On Guard. On guard, germs, stay away from me. Rose water. Nothing is more magical than rose water when you're really hot. Let's keep going. Oh, and then I have a whole bunch of wipes. Now, I like to use the On Guard wipes. Did you notice how thin they are? But they open up and they're really big, so they're really nice. I like them. Let's keep going. Sometimes I get cold on the plane. Sometimes I get cold wherever I am. So it's always nice. This particular one is North Face, but it is a windbreaker. So let me pull it out. Did you see how tiny that was? And voila, I have a windbreaker to keep me warm. I have a tripod in here. Do you necessarily need a tripod? No, but you never know when you might catch a great photo and no one is around to take it. So I have my tripod. Look at this. Did you see how small that was? Wait, check that out. This is the love bag. It's actually my grocery bag, but I'm gonna use my grocery bag in a multi-purpose. When I'm on the plane, I just dump everything that I want to be at my fingertips. I put it over the seat and voila, everything I need. And then it's also my beach bag or my yacht bag. Now let's keep digging. Did you notice how I just pulled this bag out? This is actually my beach bag. It has everything that I need. So I pulled it out of my day pack so that I could put it right in here while I'm on the yacht. I could just run around with my day pack. But let's check out what's in this little pack. Sun visor. Make sure you have some form of a sun visor. Oh, did I mention that I'm getting a little older? I'm at that stage with hot flashes. Oh, so I love to have a fan. Oh, while we're in the water, you want to protect your phone. So I have a little phone protector. It actually floats in the water. Oh, and then I have sunglasses and then my normal glasses. What else is in this bag? Oh, earplugs. I mentioned that sometimes I get ear infections. So if I put earplugs in, very important that I have sunscreen. So I have my sunscreen in there. Now, I did mention I get hot flashes, right? So on the other side of this bag, there's this amazing towel. It's called a cooling towel. And this cooling towel, all I have to do, let me put some of this stuff down. All I have to do is put some water on here, flick it, and wrap it around myself, and it cools me off. How amazing is that? What else is in the bag? Panties. You never know when you need to have an extra pair of panties. And also my swimming panties. Or are they panties or are they swimming suits? Did you notice my shirt? I'm gonna take the vest off. This shirt is actually a swimming shirt. All of my shirts that I travel with are swimming shirts. I never know when there might be a beautiful body of water that I want to jump into. And as long as I have my little, what are these called? Swim trunks? I think that's what men call them. I don't know. Bikini bottoms, they're bikini bottoms. Okay, so my bikini bottoms, I just put them on underneath my, oh wait, let me step back. Did you notice that I'm wearing a skirt? This skirt, I could just put my little bikini bottoms on and voila, I'm ready for any beautiful body of water. Let's keep digging in. A rain poncho. Yes, I have had this rain poncho, I want to say maybe like 6 years. I've never had to use it, never been opened. I think the only reason I've never had to use it is because I carry it. If I didn't have it, I'm sure it would be pouring rain. That's it? Okay, there's my day pack. Now, oh, more in the bag. Can you imagine how much stuff fit in this bag? Now, I did mention this bag is the survival bag. If they lose my luggage, I have the survival bag. So in here are my yoga clothes. I'm a Kundalini yoga teacher, so I have my white clothes. On the other side, you can't see it, but I have an extra change of clothes. So I will survive if they lose my luggage. Oh yes, I will be teaching live from Croatia, so I have my computer And so that you know that on our private yacht, yes, we have Wi-Fi throughout the entire yacht. And that's it. This bag is completely amazing. It stretches. I've had this bag since, let's see, 2001. It has traveled the world with me. Now I want you to notice one suitcase to check on. On this one suitcase down here, there's a little luggage handler. I need everyone, I will be giving these to you, I need everyone to put this purple little luggage handler on so that all the people that are handling our luggage, they know where our luggage is and they can grab it with really quickness. Let's see what's inside. Oh, envelopes. There are many people along the journey that will make our journey extraordinary. So I like to pre-make my tip envelopes. So I have a tip envelope for our cruise manager, and our cruise manager will be traveling with us from the beginning all the way to the end. I have one for all of our little tours, and so I just put a whole bunch of singles in here to make sure I have singles for all of the tours. And then our crew, we have a captain, and then we have 7 other crew members. So I want to make sure that I have all of my tip money planned out ahead. Nothing is more stressful than trying to figure out, oh, to tip someone. Let's keep going. Now, they say it's never too late, right? I may be 50, but it's never too late to be a mermaid. I'm gonna be a mermaid. I have my little mermaid gear. Now, if I can fit my mermaid gear in this one suitcase, that means that yes, you can fit everything you need into one suitcase. Not one, but 2 mermaid tails. I have beautiful little pearls in here, and if I'm gonna be a mermaid, I might as well go all out. I wanted to be a mermaid when I was a little girl. No better time than now in my 50s. Let's keep going. Now, I do not like packing and unpacking and all that stuff. I want to make sure my time is spent wisely. So this here allows me to do that. Did you notice? I pulled it out. It has everything. It has my skirts. It has my pants, all ready for me to grab. Now, there will be a captain's dinner. During the captain's dinner, you might want to dress up, but you don't have to. The majority of our cruise is to make sure that you are comfortable, but you might want to bring, my magnet's stuck. You might want to bring one beautiful dress. For men, I don't know what you're gonna bring. Something for your cruise. Captain's dinner. And then, being on the Adriatic Sea, sometimes it might get cold. So I have some long sleeve shirts, I have a jean jacket. Now, did I mention that all of my outfits have to match together with 3 different things or it doesn't get to come? So this actual shirt here, swimsuit shirt, matches with 3 of those pants over there. And then, you know, I have some cover-ups for my swimsuits, all that kind of fun stuff. Let's keep going. Coffee Sada. Vietnamese coffee. I have a feeling it's going to be really hard to find Vietnamese coffee in Croatia, but that's not why I put this in here. I put this in here to let you know that on our private yacht, there will be coffee, tea, water, fruit, all abundant for you. Now, if you want to have some special alcohol drinks, we do have a private bar, so that will be available, and you can just pay for that at the end of the cruise. What else is in here? Okay, now you remember that first bag, the tiny little bag? Well, this is the backup to all of that, in case I need more. So I have more wipes. Oh yes, more masks. And then all the backup things. My computer needs to be charged, my phone needs to be charged, so many things need to be charged. So here's my converter. It has USB ports, it has the little plugins. Enough for 2 of us. David and I both share that. What else is in here? Suntan lotion. Now, I have 4 different versions of suntan lotion because it is very expensive to get suntan lotion in Croatia, and they don't have the ones that I love, so I bring them all with me. Now, remember how I talked about my yoga gear over there? I had enough for, 1, maybe 2 days. Here's the rest of them. Whatever yoga gear you need. Remember how I mentioned all of the tops? These are all of my swimsuit tops. Every single top is in this tiny little bag. But I do want to open this bag because I want you to see inside. We are going to be in the sun a lot. So I'm going to highly recommend you have some form of a rash guard. Isn't it cute? On the side, this rash guard actually will release, and then I get sunburn on my butt. So it releases to cover all the way down to my butt. And then there's, fun stuff, sarongs, all that kind of stuff for my fun adventures into the beach. Oh, did I mention I'm going to do a sound bath while we're there? I'm doing a sound bath. Please note how tiny this is. This is for you to float in the water. All you have to do is blow up on this side and voila, you will be floating in the water for your luscious sound bath. It's not just for sound baths. It's really great if you're at a pool or anything like that. But notice how long it is. I got the long version because the long version allows your legs to stretch out. If you get the short version, then your knees will be the dropping point. So you decide, long version, short version, whatever version is going to be perfect for you. What else is in here? Did I mention shoes? Let's talk about shoes. Now, ladies, I know how you like to bring a zillion pairs of shoes. No, do not do it. You need comfortable shoes. We will be walking on cobblestone stairs and all of that fun stuff. One pair of shoes. This pair of shoes is for the water. These are my aqua water shoes. Minnie recommended these. These are freaking amazing. They have holes on the bottom to release all of the water. Flexible, so comfortable that I actually use them as my hiking shoes. I just put a pair of socks in and voila, I have hiking shoes because we will be doing some hiking. We'll actually be going from the boat, take a bus, going into the mountains, and then we will be in luscious waterfalls. Did I mention pebble beaches, rocks? So you need to have shoes that have a firm bottom so that you don't hurt yourself. Let's keep going. Oh, the bag is almost on the bottom is my cheap, very cheap yoga mat. Do not bring your expensive heavy yoga mat. It'll just weigh you down. And more importantly, you're probably going to find a whole bunch of things that you want to buy while you're in Croatia. And if you have that expensive yoga mat, you're not going to want to let it go. But if you have this cheap yoga mat, you'll let it go. I've tried the travel yoga mats. I've tried the folded yoga mats. Don't like any of them. I really do just like the cheap yoga mat. Target, $9.99. TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Find one that's cheap that you're okay with letting go of. So that's it. Everything you need. Ease and grace traveling. Only if you pack light. Looking forward to a journey with you. Can't wait. I'll see you soon.